Mr. Evans, I just wanted to show you. We just got your rub rail in today. I'll show you where this goes, and I'll show you what it looks like, what's inside this package. We got 11 sticks of it. We got 6 for you and 6 for 2 other people, 2 other customers, and and we shared the shipping with amongst you, so saved you a little money on shipping. Shipping gets really crazy when you get beyond 8 foot, and those are 12-foot sticks. So what I'm talking about is the rub rail, like this on my boat, and we have to bend it like this for your spray rail. And this is on my boat right here. So, but we'll come on back to your boat and show you everything. So the interior is complete and installed, and we had to make up here. There's a, I call it a vanity panel underneath the dash. See if we can, yeah, tango red panel here, right above the kick plate. So that's new. That's installed new. And then we got your rub rail in, your crash rail in, and your interior, your seat backs in. Looks like we need to do a little adjusting on the rear seat, the height of it. And of course your engine's all installed and ready to go. New fuel tank, all your varnish work and lines are painted. That's all completed. So the rub rail, your boat came in here without any of the metal on the spray rail right here. So that's what's in the package that you saw that we got today. And so that we can make this rub rail, spray rail, the rub rail that goes on the spray rail, we can make that today, so or tomorrow. And then we have all of this rub rail that goes on. It's laying right here. We've polished all this rub rail, and it's laying right there. It's getting ready to go on, and then we'll be testing. You can see we've already put this rub rail on that goes on the front portion here, and your stem beads on as well. Your boot stripe is painted, and your bottom is painted now, and you're just about finished. We've just about run out of parts. So one other thing, excuse me for the coughing, one other thing that we've got ready to go is your flagpoles. We're putting the second build-up round on. We put 4 coats on, 4 build-up coats on, at least 4, and then we do a knockdown sanding, and then we do at least 4 more coats. We usually do 5 on each stage, and then we do a final sanding, and we do at the final sanding we do a final coat. So your bow flagpole is hanging right here, and one of these 2 guys will be your stern flagpole, and we just purchased brand new hardware for the top, correct hardware for the top. So anyway, that's the latest on your boat. Naturally, we always make sure we give you these video updates, and you know what time that means. It probably is, but we're just about finished now. This would be probably the last advance, and then after this would be maybe some money for testing. Actually, it should all come up underneath this last advance. We might even be giving you a check back. So anyway, talk to you soon.